Hello, I thought today we could do continuous line drawing. It's more like a game. You can't take your pencil off the paper. And I thought if we had a go at doing this, you can create not necessarily brilliant likenesses of the person you're drawing, but you can draw people full of character. And I just thought you could draw your friends, family, whoever you're with right now. Okay, so let's start. So I've got my mirror set up. You can, find a mirror at home or draw somebody else, and I'm going to start just by putting some rough lines in. I'm looking at myself more than I'm looking at the paper, okay, and my pencil isn't leaving the paper. Okay, so I can see as I'm drawing that my glasses, I can never get these right first time, and I'm changing them, but I'm not rubbing anything out. I'm just going to leave all those marks that I made before in. I'm not even going to worry about it. I just think it will make your picture look more interesting, and I'm sure Mr. Watson always tells you not to use a rubber. Okay. So still changing everything as I go, just keep looking and looking. Scribbling away. So I think I've got my features in roughly where I want them. Still just leaving the pencil on the paper the whole time. And I'm going to start to think about a little bit, because I'm out in this lovely sunshine, where the light is hitting the surface of my skin, okay? And I can see where my face is in shadow. Okay, so that's where my hair, my fringe is over my forehead, and that's making some shadows there. I can see in my eye sockets, they're in shadow, aren't they? Because the light isn't hitting those at all. But the bits where the light is hitting are definitely down the front of my nose, top of my lip, so I'm just working quite quickly, and you can work quickly as well, or really take your time. I quite like it when it's quick. I just think it looks more instantaneous. So I'm just continuing to work into my drawing, and as I'm outside the light is constantly changing anyway, so I'm just trying to sort of go further in really. I've got vaguely myself on this piece of paper, and I'm just trying to just get more depth into it really by adding in all these shadows that I can see. So these marks that I'm making just by scribbling away really, you don't have to do it like that if you don't want to. You could make different marks. Your marks might be more squiggly than mine, or softer, or darker. It's up to you. You just need to find a way that you're comfortable working with. You know, you could do this much quicker and have it much simpler, or as detailed as you want. Okay, well I think it's really hard to know when to stop, isn't it? I think I'm there. So, okay. So I really hope you have a go at this. It doesn't have to look as awful as I do here, but just have a go and enjoy it. And I look forward to seeing the results of your work. Take care.